Hello and welcome to Car Solutions online store. We are currently in a Mazda 6 car. Today we are going to talk about a rear-view camera connection to OEM monitors that look like this. Some of these monitors are equipped with the nav button, as indicated by this button right here. Some of them, however, aren't, which means they do not support connection of an external navigation box. This is an NB1 system, and it is mostly installed in Mazda cars manufactured between 2011 and 2014. We use this plug-and-play cable for rear-view camera connection. The cable was connected to an input on the back side of the monitor. This is the 4-pin connector, which we use to first power up the camera and then connect it. Let's put the monitor back in. Before installation, we made sure that everything is powered off for safety. Now, let's switch the car to reverse. An image from the rear-view camera appears on the screen automatically. Image can also be adjusted in the settings: brightness, contrast, and so on. All functions work as OEM ones. An important thing that should be paid attention to is whether activation signal is connected to the monitor. In some cases, reverse activation signal is not active. If that's the case, after installing this cable, you will get a solution that simply does not work. Enter the service menu to check whether the signal is present. Press the volume and seek right buttons simultaneously, and this kind of menu appears. Enter the code 15, press enter, and now you can see a signal diagnostics menu. We are interested in the rev signal. Switch the car to reverse, and on notification appears next to rev. Switch back, and it switches to off. So, if the on notification does not appear next to rev when you switch the car to reverse, you will need this additional cable, which comes with the cable that we showed before. Follow the user manual to connect the cable to the monitor. This will activate the reverse signal, and everything will work just fine. Visit our website or forum if you have any additional questions. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like the video. See you soon!